Singer A and Singer B had 2 top grossing concert tours for a certain year, together generating 359 million in ticket sales. If Singer B took 29 million less than Singer A, how much did each tour generate? Well, we have our answers here, but let me show you how we get that. We're going to have X equals Singer A, what do they call it? Sales. Okay. Now, Singer B took in 29 million less than. You'll notice I have this underline, less than. That means we're going to take X minus 29. Less than means that Singer A made more. And this will be Singer B sales. They also tell us that together they generated 359 million. That means if I take Singer X sales plus Singer B sales, which is 29 million less, I should end up with 359 million. I can't even think that high, but that's pretty cool, I guess. I'm going to grab my calculator because this is going to make our lives easier. First, we need to collect like terms, X and X. So we'll have 2X minus 29 equals 359. All right. Now I'm going to raise this up a little bit. I have this taped down so it wouldn't move, but we do need to move it a little. All right. I want X to stay here. The opposite of subtracting is adding. That means I'm going to add 29 to both sides of the equal sign. All right. 359 plus 29 is 388. So 2X equals 388. The opposite of multiplying, hopefully you can see this, is dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. You can kind of see it there. 388 divided by 2 is 194. Bring this down here. Now we need to remember what is X? Well, X is Singer A sales. So they generated 194 million. There are 2 ways that we could figure out Singer B. We could either take the total that they had, 359 million minus 194. We'll grab our calculator for this too. 359 minus 194 is 165. That's cool. Or what we could do, we have X minus 29. So X minus 29, we could take X, which is, 194, and minus 29. What do you think we're going to get? Well, 194 minus 29, 29 is 165. So you could either subtract it from the total, or you could follow our little rule there. Cool! I hope you enjoyed this one.